Okay, Whitney, can you tell them what we're gonna do today? Okay.
Today we're going to go on a road trip. We're going to Paris. We're going to see my friend. He's so silly and she's so silly. Both of them are so silly. We're sleeping now.
Ready? Yeah.
Let's go to the door.
Wow, yeah. You're the driver?
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey, what's going on?
We're going to France. Yay! Hello. Let's go.
Enjoy. If you need something that you heard, I'll give you some falafel from Okay.
Yummy? Yeah?
You need bread, two
What's
pieces
that?
of bread.
Pizza.
Do you want to? Sure. Yeah. You want some bread with you?
Kain
Go
mo.
get it. Yeah, sure.
Ayan yung mga pagkain. Yung order ko is shawarma.
This is a big lunch, okay? So you gotta make sure you get your mom a letter. Well, just don't forget a second, but make sure you do not food after. This is lunch. Expensive.
Okay, you run there. I'm gonna get you. Ready? Okay, I'm gonna get you. You run there. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna go get. So, nag-stop muna kami dito para mag-charge ng car. Kumukuha siya ng flowers. I think that's it, Whitby. Can you show them? Can you show them what you got? Wow.
I got 30 flowers just
So no more today. Yep, you can have snacks later after we get on the road again.
But I do.
Okay, you do it.
So, ayan guys, we're finally here in France. After so many hours of traveling, siguro mga almost 8 hours yung binahe namin kasi kailangan mag-stop, to charge the car, tapos magpahinga, kumain, ganon. So, bali, nag-Airbnb muna kami guys. Pero malapit na to sa Paris. Mga 1 hour na lang yung babiyahin papunta doon. Tapos, ito yung second room. Ito yung room ni Fatin and nung mga bata.
Good morning, guys! Hello! Hello! Good morning, Whitby!
Becomes part of the earth again. Like everything that you're made out of right now, Whitby, all sort of came from the earth and space and the stars and everything. Like there's little bits of iron in your blood that can only be made in supernova, in space, explosions.
What's that, Whitby? What's the name of the tower? Eiffel Tower! Yay! our pizza. Pogi yarn.
Well, when I moved
I
to
think you did the 4 cheeks?
Four, yeah.
You did 4 cheeks?
Yeah.
I'd be more scared of New York than I would be.
Allez, regarde, je donne à Kenza.
You're on my vlog, is it okay?
Okay.
That's what I wanted to say.
Tu dois te calmer, tu dois te calmer. Je n'aime pas ça.
Yeah.
Toi, tu dois te calmer, d'accord?
Eat it.
Yalla.
Check it out. Drop it. تعتقد الكوستيومات.
Eiffel Tower. Yeah. Yeah, because I'm scared. No,
Don't worry.
no. Ah. Mga lasing. Oh my God, guys.
And in the white corner, she's gonna make it tonight.
She's gonna break all
the records. Please make some noise for Venus. ديما وداد وكاع زراد ولاد القحاب. ديما فينوس وكاع زراد ولاد القحاب.
What is it?
ديما فينوس. Let's go.
It's already midnight guys at niyaya nga nila akong lumabas since last night ko na dito sa Paris. So ayun pala yung Eiffel Tower guys, walang ilaw kapag midnight. So hindi ko na-expect na ganyan pala yan. Kaming tatlo lang pala yung nandyan at sobrang kalog ng magkapatid na to as in.
Putaina, Kenza! Putaina! Kenza, putaina!
Oh my God. Now I need to go to Philippines.
Oh, if you're gonna say
Yeah.
that.
First thing I'm gonna say in Philippines.
As soon as we land to
Putaina
the
ka, Kenza!
pilot, I'm gonna say,
Putaina!
You're gonna be bashed.
no, they're
No?
gonna applaud me.
No, I'm gonna say like
I'm
this.
just kidding.
Putaina. Putaina, you're good? How are you? So good.
No.
Yeah.
Hello.
Puta,
Do you
I
wanna
love you
drink,
so much,
Putaina?
Putaina. I love you so much, Putaina.
Putaina.
Nice to meet you, Putaina.
Okay, let's go.
Beer, Putaina.
Venus is such a good Putaina.
No. It's such a good condom.
Yeah.
It's like a
Oh
condom.
yeah, Venus wearing
No, I'm
condom.
joking. I'm
No,
joking.
we're joking.
Yeah, they're just joking, guys.
Venus is like my
Don't bash
sister.
them.
No.
They're
Of
very
course not.
nice. Yeah.
course. No, I love Venus.
And from Philippines, she's gonna make it tonight. She's gonna break all the records. Please make some noise for our star, Venus from Philippines.
Straight from Philippines to Paris.
And yeah, she gonna
And
smash her
she's
ass.
PR relationship, public relationship. I'm advising her, and when she's gonna be super famous and rich, I hope that she's not gonna forget me. Me
I
as
want.
a little poor fucking Parisian
You're
girl.
my first. You guys are my first friends here in France. I will never forget that.
No, for real?
For real. France.
Yes, Bicolana.
Bonsoir les amis, nous sommes à Paris rue de Longchamp 16e avec mon ami which means in French, in English, my new friend from Philippines, my first friend from Philippines, and I'm her first friend from Paris. Yes. And she didn't know that in French and in general in Europe, the cigarettes cost so much. One pack of cigarettes in Paris costs 12 euros. A lot. So people that are used to smoke, they changed from packs of cigarettes to rolled tobacco. So we buy tobacco in some packs like this, just tobacco, no, just tobacco, and we buy paper and a filter, and we do everything handmade. So she didn't know about it.
I didn't know about that.
Because, just like me, she's coming from a country where everything is cheap. Me also, the pack of cigarettes in my country in Morocco costs 3 euro. I used to smoke real cigarettes, but when I came in France,
Good morning, guys! Oh, may hangover pa ang mga person, lalo na si Kenza. She's supposed to go to work,
But
since
I'm working.
yeah,
I'm
she's
working
not-
very hard.
She's working. Yeah, because she's not able to go to office. She's not feeling well today.
Because of her.
It's not because of me.
Yeah.
You were drunk when you came here. Kenza, don't blame me, okay? So now we're just gonna order food because Kenza is very hungry. She needs energy. Look at her. Okay. I got the food. Let's go inside. Petit. Bon appetit. Bon appetit. Just tea. Tea. Yeah. Bon appetit. Bon appetit. Yeah? Bon appetit.
There we go. No, I gotta leave it
So
close.
many petties in this car, guys.
Seriously.
So, umalis na kami guys ng Paris around 3 p.m. Tapos, bumiyahin na ulit kami papuntang north of France.
You guys, we need your
Eto na guys yung hotel namin. Nakarating kami dito at 10 p.m. Tapos, check-in na. Hello guys! Good morning! So, today is day 5. So, today's ganap, we're just going to see the biggest aquarium here in Europe. Labas na. Okay, now I'm going to show you my room. So, ito yung outfit ko. Mag-vlog sana ako yung sinuot ko kahapon. Kaso, tinagos ako. Buti na lang may isa pa akong pants. Ready for breakfast.
Good morning, Ryan.
I hear the rooster cock on the car. That's where the farm is, and the rooster was just right there. And I would be.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. Good morning. A lot of animals.
Alondra, did you say?
No. We're gonna see a lot of animals. What do you want to see? A rooster?
Look.
A pig?
The pig. He likes apples, so I love.
Where's your balloon?
My balloon go bump.
Oh no. Good morning.
But yeah, initially we wanted to go to the south of France, but it's too far. It was 8 more hours.
Oh.
And now we still have to come back all the way back up.
Oh no. But we're not gonna, go back to the same path that we...
No.
Oh, it's a different path. There's no...
Yes. Oh. It's still Belgium, but the north. We're gonna see. Now we're in the... I thought to play. Now we're in the north of France. We're in the region... it's called Nord-Pas-de-Calais. We're gonna go to the city of Calais, which has a beach. It's beautiful. It's cloudy.
Mama, I'm over to water.
And then we're gonna go see the city of Bruges.
So, ganito guys yung setup ng breakfast nila. You can eat whatever you want. Kung ano man yung nakahanda nilang pagkain dyan, pwede kang kumuha. Para siyang eat all you can. Pagdating namin dito guys sa breakfast area, meron nang nakareding croissant. Eto na guys yung breakfast ko. So, since hindi ako nag-dinner, marami talaga akong kinuha. Ayan, worth it.
Going so fast up into the clouds?
As a center of scientific and technical discovery of the marine environment,
I'm listening to Mama Wyatt.
focusing primarily on the relationship between man and the sea. It reproduces Malpelo Island of the coast of Colombia.
Okay.
So we're gonna feel like we're in Colombia. Perfect.
Finally. It's making it rain. Is Whitby making it rain?
I don't know, but she's not here. So how would I know?
Is Wyatt making it rain?
Well, maybe it's making it rain. It could be anybody. Oh, more!
More rain, more rain.
Bish, bish, bish! Woohoo!
And no rain.
No, really? What?
Just back there.
This one is for you. No, this one is for you. This one is for Ruby. This one is for Wyatt. This one is for Peter.
Thank you.
This one is for Papa.
I just want that color.
That's one. Little orange.
Like this?
Yep. Look.
Okay.
This is the mouth of a shark. This is how big they get. This is how big some sharks get. The mouth of a shark.
Bedoel zie papa.
Where are you going, Wyatt?
Elle contribue à maintenir l'eau propre, à protéger les sols et les roches.
And then you can go to sleep. I'm going to get
I think he's sleeping.
So, eto guys yung hotel namin. Dito kami natulog. And 2 nights lang kami dito. Bago kami guys umalis, pumunta muna ako dito sa labas, sa likod ng hotel, para tingnan yung view. So, ayan, ang ganda-ganda pala dito. Tinatry ko nga palang tawagin dito yung mga animals para makita ko ng malapitan.
No, there's a hole there. No way.
It's not no way.
Two. No, Mama.
Hey, Wyatt, like this. What is it?
More.
More.
Good job.
Says more.
Yes.
This says more, and the last one for the raisins. You ready?
Yes.
Please don't say it.
Look.
Good job, Wyatt.
And I want raisins.
Wyatt got raisins. Yay! Wyatt
That's
got
your
5 cards.
prize.
Hi guys! We are back here in Belgium and this is the city of Bruges. Bago kami guys umalis ng Belgium, we ate here at Curiosa. So, nasa baba yung restaurant. It's a basement. Ganito nga guys yung itsura niya sa loob. Yan guys yung owner ng restaurant, and bilib na bilib talaga ako sa kanya dahil he does everything like cooking, serving. And guys, yung food dito is really tasty. It's so good. Before we go back to Amsterdam, we tried this famous waffle. So this waffle guys is really lightweight. And that's it guys. That's our 6 days of vacation. I hope you enjoyed this video. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe on my YouTube channel. And see you in my next one.